What's going on, guys? Dilly Jones here. If you made it this far, I appreciate you staying for the video. I know my engagement, my average view duration on the channel is pretty low. So it means you guys are getting bored. I get it. I understand. More clips, more interesting clips, shorter clips. I'm working on it. More content coming. But anyways, thank you for subscribing and viewing. I've got about 800 views in the past 30 days. That's doesn't seem like a lot, but means a lot to me. I'm having a lot of fun with this editing and filming, so more stuff to come, more tools on the way, more interesting video ideas coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for viewing. Like, subscribe. Dilly Drums.